friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product. And the product that we are going to review right now is a gas stove grill from Royal Chef, the gas tandoor. So the packaging has come in a very poor condition. First of all, I had ordered this on Naptol, and look at the state of the packaging it has delivered at my place. So very poor packaging here from Naptol. So the state of the product is really like in a mess right now. So basically, let me tell you first what is a gas tandoor. We all like eating grilled food and less oil, and we like to grill our stuff and stuff. But not everyone has a tandoor at home, or an electric tandoor, or a coal tandoor at home, right? So this is the perfect product for you if you like grilled food, if you like tandoori food, to prepare tandoori items right at home on your gas stove using this gas tandoor. So let's look at the packaging. I know it's in a poor state right now, but still we can look at it once. So right here you can see the Royal Chef branding. Here is the gas tandoor branding. Then they have shown an illustration of the gas tandoor here. And then they have quality, original quality written here, deluxe model. Now what all can you make on this tandoor? You can make fat-free chicken, basically with lesser oil. Fish can be fried, grilled, aloo tikkis can be grilled, lachha paratha can be made, naan can be made, stuffed vegetables can be grilled. You can grill any veg and non-veg stuff on this, and there's no need of any electric or any coal in it. This is a healthy and low-fat cooking way of cooking. The excess grease and fat simply rolls off the food by dropping in water. So I'll tell you what that means. Okay. On the back of the packaging, again we can see the Royal Chef branding right here, and the gas tandoor branding right across here. Extra thick non-stick Teflon coating is there, so it's a non-stick coated plate. And then they have filled. Okay. Now they have shown the product here. They have shown that this is a non-stick grill plate is there on top, and then there is another steel plate on it. Dip tray, a heavy-duty stainless steel dip tray is there, in which you need to pour some water or juice to infuse flavor and prevent smoke. So to prevent smoke from coming off, you need to add water into the grill plate, and you can add some juice, like if you want to say flavor it, you can add juice in it as well. So here again they have shown illustration here what all they can make on tandoor. Here they have made paneer tikka, fish and prawns, mutton chops, dosa, besan chilla, french fries. Anything can be made on this in a very healthy way. So let's go ahead and look at the grill. So here it is. Okay. So what do we get in this? This is a product. Basically this is a product that is there. It looks very like a simple thing, a simple product. There's this non-stick plate like a thing, non-stick pan kind of grill kind of a thing, which has a non-stick coating right on top so that your food doesn't stick to it. There's a non-stick coating on this grill. And then this is a dip tray, stainless steel dip tray that comes with it. So this is where you put some water or juice, and you just place it on your stove top. On the gas stove, you just place this part on the gas stove, and then on top of the dip tray, you place your the grill plate like this. So I'll just show it to you. So you'll place it dip tray like this. And then you just need to place your food item, whatever you all want to grill, on top of the grill plate. So right here you will place whatever you all want to grill right on top here, and from bottom there will be the heat from the gas that will come, and it will heat the whole plate up, and even the water will get heated up, so it will start infusing it and smoking, giving it that smoke, infusing that flavor into your dish. If you add some juice and stuff, you'll get that flavor into the food that you grill. So that is the use of the dip tray, and whatever excess oil is there, it will start dripping into this dip tray. So your food will be like with lesser fat on it, right? So less oily and stuff. So guys, this is the product from Royal Chef that I purchased on Naptol. I purchased it from Naptol. It's also available on Amazon. And MRP of this product on Naptol, I purchased it for 9,999. It's also available on Amazon. You can purchase it from the link I've given the link in the description below. You can purchase it from there. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.